Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use ClickUp. Firstly, visit the ClickUp's official website, then click sign up and enter your email address. Check your email for a verification code, then return to the sign up page and enter the code to proceed. Now, upload a profile photo or pick a color-based avatar using your initials. You can edit or crop your photo if needed, then click save when done. Now you need to pick a theme color for your interface. Each user can personalize this setting for their account. Now, you need to integrate apps like Google Calendar, time tracking tools, Dropbox, or other cloud storage. You can skip this for now and add them later if preferred. Now, choose It's Only Me for personal use and Me and Others to invite teammates and unlock full features. Now give your workspace a name, then this will become your central hub in ClickUp. Now you need to invite members by email to collaborate in real time. You can skip this also for later. Now, upload an avatar for your workspace. Typically, a company logo works best. Create your first space, which is a major category in ClickUp. Name it something easy to remember, and then choose extra features like time tracking, custom fields, automations. You can also toggle these on or off anytime in settings later when you finish setting up your ClickUp dashboard. And that's it, your ClickUp account is ready. You can now manage multiple projects or use it to schedule your work. So as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.